Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, that is percentage. So let's see the question on percentage. So we will gradually increase the level of question. First question is quite simple. Few question I just give you in order to make you concentrate on the subject or make your basics clear. So find a number whose 4% is 72. Okay, this is the question. So you know that if there is a number 72 is how much 4% of that number. So you can simply know this thing that 1% you will find out the value of 1% by simply dividing it by 4. So after dividing it by 4, you will get the number. You will get it 18, right? 18 means 1% equal to 18. So 100% equal to how much? You have to simply multiply it by 100. It's also 100. So 100 into 18, that comes out to be 1800. Okay. So this how you need to solve it. Very simple. Just find out 1%, right, or 10%. Okay. Whenever there is a big number, like suppose there is 550, and I ask you find the 25, not 25, find out 40% of this number. So what you have to do, you have to divide this number. Okay. So 550 is 100%, so 10% is 55. So 10% is 55, 110 is 20%, right? Similarly, 165 will be 30%, and similarly, when you add this two, you will get 220 as 40%. This how you have to do, okay? Calculation in order to solve it fast. Next question. Now this type of question may come to your examination, but there are probability that this type of question will come in your examination. So see this question: if Mohan's salary is 10% more than that of Sohan, then how much percent is Sohan's salary less than that of Mohan? So assume that Sohan's salary is 100, Mohan is 10% more, means 110 is Mohan's salary. How much this is Sohan, this is Mohan. Whenever you attempt this type of question with reference to, always try to solve from backward. Okay. 110 was his initial salary, Mohan's salary, and Sohan's salary is 100 rupees. So what is asked? How much percentage is Sohan's salary? Okay, Sohan's salary is less than, how much it is less? 11 less than that of Mohan. Mohan is how much? 110. We do this 1 by 11. 1 by 11 equal to 9%. Okay. You can simply find out by this way. Very simple. Just you need to imagine a number 10% more, that is Mohan's salary, then 100, 110, two numbers, Sohan, Mohan. Comparison is given between Sohan's salary with respect to Mohan. So how much he is earning less than Mohan? 11 rupees. With respect to whom it is asked? Mohan. You have to simply divide this by 110. Okay. Next question. If A income is 40% less than B income, then how much percentage B income is more than A? Very simple again. From behind you have to do. So let's B income be 100. A income is 40% less. So A income is 60 rupees, right? How I did this? I told you 40% less means 100 you always have, 40% less means minus 40. This comes out to be 60. You have to 60% into 100. So when you do, you will get the salary of it. That is 60. So then how much percentage is B income is more than A? With reference to A, it is asked. So 40 rupees is the difference between them. And with respect to whom it is asked, with A. So A salary is 60 rupees. When you do this, this comes out to be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is how much percentage? 66.67. Simple. Okay, so here is a question. If A is 20% of C and B is 25% of C, then what percentage is A of B? So that simply means A is 20% of C. That means 20 by 100. Percentage means directly with reference to 100 of C. And B is 25% of C. So 25 by 100 of C, right? Then they ask, then what percentage is A of B? So you have to simplify the ratio A by B. Okay, this you have to find. And what percentage it is, so you have to multiply it by 100. So for that, you know this value, you know this value. So what you can do, A equal to 20 by 100 of C, because it is said that A is 20% of C. So you have to keep alphabet at one place and numbers in one place. So by keeping alphabet at one place, A by C equal to 20 by 100, right? And similarly, B by C equal to 25 by 100, right? So after doing this, you have to see which element is common in both of them. You can say C is common in both of them, so the value of C should be same in both the places. So here it is 100, here it is 100, so it's okay. In case if C here was 80 and C here was, suppose we can take as 70, so what we can do in this case? So in this case, we have to make them equal. So in order to make them equal, I can multiply 80 by 7 and 70 by 8. So if I multiply this one by 8, so the above, like suppose there was A above, it value was 20. So I have to multiply it by 8. And if here it was B, suppose, so if I multiply this by 7, so I have to multiply this value by also 7, so like this. Okay, so means if C is not equal, you have to make it equal. So in this case it is equal, so no need to make it equal, keep it as it is. You get the value of A, now you get the value of B, now you can simply put it and find out the value. Then they ask you, then what percentage is A of B? So A of B percentage it asks, so A by B is how much? A is 20 and B is 25. So 20 by 25, and you have to convert it in percentage, so multiply by 100. So this get into this and this comes out to be 80%. So the value of A by B is 80%. Okay, A is 80% of B. You can simply say this thing. So here is a question that two number are respectively 20 and 50% more than a third number. What percentage is first number to the second number? Okay, so two number are respectively 20 and 50% more than third number. So take third number as 100. Okay, for reference, you can assume any number which you want. You can assume 10 also, you can assume 20 also, but 100 is a number which gives a simple calculation, so that's why I assume 100. So the first number is, the two number are respectively 20% more. So the first number is 20% more, means how much its value? A value is 120, let's assume. The second number is 50% more. So 50% more is 150, right? 50% more of what? The third number. And this is third number. Okay, so how I calculate this? A is 20% more than this, so 100. Okay, 100 is the third number, into, means that number into, simply we have to see the percentage, that is 20% more. So every person is itself himself is 100%. If there is, he is more capable or anything, so we have to add that. And if there is a loss or anything, we have to minus it. Okay, so in this case there is more, so we have to add. So 100 plus 20, that is equivalent to 120. So that means the first number is 120% of third number. So third number we assume 100, so 100 into 120 by 100, because it is 120%, right? We find out. So percentage means what? Divide upon 100. So after solving this, how much it comes? It comes out to be 120. So the second number comes out to be 120, and similar way you can find the third number, that is 100 into 50% more. So 100, every person is 100%, so 50% is more is 150%. So you can solve this 100 into 150 by 100. So this comes out to be 150. The value is B. Okay.
this comes out to be A, because we assume that this is the third number, so this will be the first number as it is, and this is the second number, that is B, and this is the third number. So what percentage is first number to the second number? So here you can see that the first number is how much? A is 120 and B is how much? 150. So it asks what is the percentage the first number is to the second number. So first number is A upon B. So this they ask first number upon second number is what percent. So first number value is 120 and second number value is 150. So you have to first find the ratio that comes out to be, you can divide it by 30. So this comes out to be 4 by 5, correct? And now you have to convert it in percentage. So you will multiply it by 100. So after doing this, this comes out to be 20 into 4, that is 80%. So the value of this is also 80%. The value or the ratio of first and second number, that is A by B, will be 80%. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Thank you.